We are currently experiencing winds of around, I would say around 70 at maximum peak gusts. We are forecast about 50 at the moment. Continuous gusts are currently forecast around 26, 27. I think more like 33, 34. And then in Gorm, and the summit highest point in the UK, they are currently forecast 89 mile per hour winds consistently, with 105 or 104, 106, 108, something like that mile per hour gusts. But I expect they'll see over 100 mile per hour continual gusts, wind speeds, with over 140 mile an hour gusts. Wow, that was a big gust. Just to the left of me, a group of trees swaying like crazy. This is not 50 mile per hour winds like we're forecast. This should have been a rad. Not personally here. I think here was correct. I mean, I don't think we would have gone over 90. No, I think we did actually. We did go over 90, but I don't think it was. It's kind of hard, really. Definitely Scotland should be in a red. A lot of debris blown past the window, and I can't barely see it because of all the fog. But yeah, we are currently experiencing winds probably around 70, pushing even 80 miles per hour. These clouds are flying across the sky. There's power plants that are actually being torn apart. Could be in a tornado. I've never seen a tornado. I've only seen dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of funnel clouds. And to be fair, probably 80% of those within the last 3 years. But I've really got into weather around about 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. Actually, longer than that now, like 7, 8 years ago. Wow, half my lifetime. Before that, I didn't use the computer, or I didn't have a phone. I've only had a phone for like 4 years. I think the chimney stack is on its way down. Very historic monument in the area, and it looks like it's at a pretty nasty angle. It is old. It's hundreds of years old. Imagine if that came down. That is like 150 feet, 200 feet. That would be that bad. And there's another one as well, but I think wow. If that's correct, I think the 250-foot pine trees, and 4 of them actually, have gone down the pathway. I can't see them. Imagine that. Whatever that was, that didn't sound good. Bang! That sounded like a metal roof being torn off, actually. Yeah, I think we're going to be in for a pretty interesting night. Hopefully I don't wake up to the ash tree in my bedroom. Don't want to be wet. It is meant to rain very badly overnight with these strong winds. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll give you an update in the morning. Actually, later in the morning. Actually, no, technically it's morning yet. Goodbye.